Look at that. Look at the colors. Look at the Aussies. The city. The bank. We can take some money now and keep vacation going, right? How you gonna miss this? How you gonna come here? Just for the view. And gladiators are over there, by the way.
In the corner, this is a Casbah. So when you have 3 floors with the 4 towers, it's not a Casbah, and we call it Dar. And Dar, it means house. And this is the party house. Today is a private part for the owner to pass his vacation.
Only few days.
Basics. It's good, not than nothing, you know. So here we are in the third floor of the Casbah. So always the third floors in Casbahs of defense is for animals. They keep it animals here.
Really?
Yes, sir.